In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to forward a message in a channel in Discord. Whether you're sharing an important announcement, a funny meme, or useful information from one server to another, forwarding messages can save you time and keep conversations organized. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can do it basula on desktop. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Discord guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord on your computer and log into your account. Make sure you're inside the server where the original message is located. Navigate to the specific channel that contains the message you want to forward. This can be a text channel in any server where you have permission to view and interact with messages. Once you're inside the correct channel, scroll through the conversation and locate the message you want to forward. This can be a text message, an image, or other supported content. Now, here's the key part. Hover your mouse over the message. When you hover over it, you'll see a small set of icons appear on the right-hand side of the message. These typically include options like Add Reaction, Reply, More Options, and Forward. Click on the Forward option. If you don't immediately recognize it, look for the arrow-style icon that represents forwarding. Once you click it, a new window will pop up allowing you to choose where you want to send this message. Now you'll see a list of your servers and channels. You can either scroll through the list to find the correct server and channel, or use the search bar at the top to quickly type the name of the channel you want to forward the message to. This is especially helpful if you're in multiple servers and have a lot of channels to choose from. Click on the channel in the other server where you want the message to be sent. After selecting the channel, Discord will give you a preview of the forwarded message so you can confirm it's the correct one. This helps avoid sending the wrong content to the wrong place. Before sending, you'll also see an option that says Add an optional message. This is where you can include additional context. For example, you might write something like, "Hey everyone, check this out," or "This is the update I mentioned earlier." Adding context can make your forwarded message clearer and more meaningful to the new audience. Once you're ready, click the Send button. That's it. Your message will now appear in the selected channel, clearly marked as a forwarded message. Members in that channel will be able to see the original content along with any optional message you added. Keep in mind that you need the proper permissions in both servers to forward messages successfully. If you don't see the forward option, it may be because forwarding isn't enabled yet for that message type, or you may not have the necessary permissions in that channel. Forwarding messages is incredibly useful for moderators, community managers, and even regular members who want to share information quickly without copying and pasting manually. It keeps formatting intact and ensures the original content stays clear and organized. And that's how you forward a message in a channel in Discord. Simple, quick, and very useful once you know where to click. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.